What if I told you just 15 minutes a day can change your life? Hey everyone, this is Naren and welcome back to a new session of English with me. How was your day today? Did you get time to learn English? I know many of you will reply like today it was a busy day, we had a tight schedule, we did not get enough time to learn English. Or even the students might say it's our exam time, we don't get time to learn English. There are many people who face this problem. They don't have enough time to learn English because they have a very tight, packed, scheduled day. So how to come out of it and learn English, or how to spend a little bit of time a day to learn English and make use of that little bit of time. Like if you are learning for just 1 minute, how to make use of that 1 minute? How can you learn English effectively in just 15 minutes a day? 15 minutes is not a big deal. You can use the 15 minutes like when you're traveling, you can use those time too. So let's see how can you learn English in just 15 minutes a day. I'll show you a simple daily routine that even busy people can follow every day. The first step is listening practice, and you should do it for 3 minutes. Only for 3 minutes. Listening is the foundation of learning a language. It helps you get familiar with pronunciation, the sentence structure, vocabulary, and many more things in a language. So what you should do is you should pick an audio clip or any video, any YouTube video or English podcast, anything related to English for 2 to 3 minutes. You should pick anything that is 2 to 3 minutes long. You should listen to it and then understand the main idea. Like, don't focus on each and every word. If you cannot understand a word, that's fine. Let it go. Just continue and try to understand the main idea. What is the main idea in that video? One tip is to use any translations or the transcripts to understand what you are listening to. But don't translate it into your native language. Listen to it and read the subtitles or the translations in English. Don't read or understand it with the help of your native language. You should strictly follow everything that you are listening to in English. You can listen to new clips, the TED Shorts or any English learning channel that offers the bite-sized content. Choose something that you are interested in. Choose something that will keep you awake for those 3 minutes and not feel bored in those 3 minutes. The second one is speaking practice for 5 minutes. Speaking is very crucial for fluency. Many people don't follow the speaking practice. They are kind of shy or like they are waiting for the right time. They are telling that after learning every grammar lesson, I'll start speaking English. Or they are like only after understanding every sentence structure, new words and everything, I'll speak English because I want to speak English perfectly. It's not like that. You should speak English however you can. So here you need to practice English for 5 minutes. So what to do is choose any simple sentence or topic from your listening practice and then repeat the sentence or talk about that topic for 1 minute. Continuously talk about that topic. Don't stop in between. Keep going. Even if you make mistake, just forget about it or just ignore it and continue speaking continuously for 1 minute. Like that, you need to practice for 5 minutes. Just choose 5 topics or 5 sentences and continue your practice. You should focus on speaking without stopping and also without translating from your native language. Don't think in your native language and translate it and speak. Just directly think in English and start speaking. You can talk to yourself or use any apps, or you can also talk with any speaking partners, your friends or family. You can try any method and you should speak for 5 minutes. I'll give you an example. After listening to a weather forecast, you can say like, today is sunny and warm. The temperature is 25 degrees. I feel nice about the good weather. You can say something like that, anything related to the topic you just listened to. So, we finished our 8 minutes, 3 minutes of listening and 5 minutes of speaking. The next one is reading practice for 4 minutes. Reading improves vocabulary and sentence structure awareness. When we are reading something, we can find new words and also we understand how sentences are formed in English, like where to use the subject, where to use the verb and where to use the object. We get a proper idea about the sentence structure when we read a lot in English. What you should do is, you should read any English article or news snippet or any short story. Anything, whatever you like, you can read it, and then you should try to understand the main idea. You should understand what the content is. Just simply reading a piece of paper and not understanding anything from that paper is actually not good. It doesn't improve your English. You should understand what you are reading. You should focus on it. Sometimes we read something, but since we are not focusing on it, it's like, okay, I finished it, but I don't know what it is about. We face such situations. So always try to read and understand the main idea. Also, write down 2 to 3 new words that you come across. Whenever you read, you will definitely come across 2 to 3 new words. So, note them down. One tip is, use materials that is suitable for your level. Avoid trying to read the advanced content too soon. Like, don't jump into something that is advanced. Try to read something in your level. That will be very helpful for you. You can use apps like BBC Learning English or websites like News and Levels. Now the last 3 minutes. What you should do in this 3 minutes? Yes, you should practice writing. Writing practice for 3 minutes. Writing helps you structure your thoughts in English and it reinforces what you have learned. Write 2 to 3 sentences about what you did today, or just write about what you listened to. Like in the listening practice, you might have listened to something, right? Write about that. Also, don't forget to use the new words that you learned in the reading section. See, we are connecting everything. We are connecting the listening, speaking, reading and writing. We are connecting everything together and we are learning English in just 15 minutes. So don't forget to use the new words that you learned when you were reading English. One tip I want you all to know here is that you should start small. Yes, start small. Don't aim for something very big right now. Just start small. Also, don't aim for perfection. Just aim for consistency. Yes, perfection is not important right now. What is very important right now is your consistency. How can you stay consistent to learn English? Set a timer for 15 minutes. To stay consistent, like to learn continuously for 15 minutes, try to set a timer for 15 minutes. Do this daily to keep your routine short as well as effective. Also, try to use a dedicated notebook or any learning apps to track your progress. You should always write down what you are going through, like what you have completed, how is your progress. You should know everything. So, try to note everything down. Also, reward yourself after completing a week of consistent practice. Like after 1 week, you consistently practiced English, just reward yourself. Eat a chocolate, have a chat with your friend or watch a movie. Do something that you enjoy. Remember, 3 minutes of listening, 5 minutes of speaking, 4 minutes of reading and 3 minutes of writing. That's just 15 minutes of your day to transform your English skills. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I'll be back with a new video soon. Thank you for being a part of this journey. Bye.